Hello and welcome to this core practical video. My name is Sarah Dix. I'm a physics teacher here at Readham House School. Today we are going to be investigating the properties of water so you can obtain accurate results in your own experiments. The first experiment we'll be looking at is investigating the properties of water by determining the specific heat capacity of water. To carry out this experiment, you will need the following: a polystyrene cup, beaker, tripod, thermometer, stop clock, immersion heater, a joule meter, and a balance. Firstly, you need to place the cup onto the balance and press 0. This is to ensure that you measure the mass of water only. Carefully add the water to the cup and read the mass from the balance. Place the cup into the beaker to support it, and then add the 12-volt electric immersion heater to the water, making sure that your heating element is completely below the water level. This is to ensure as much energy as possible is being transferred to the water and not to the surroundings. Now connect the immersion heater to the joule meter, but do not turn it on just yet. First, you must record the temperature of the water. Now turn on the immersion heater and at the same time start the stop clock. Gently stir the water and after 5 minutes take the reading on the thermometer, making sure that the thermometer is at the centre of the liquid and not touching the bottom of the beaker, as we want to record the temperature of the water, not the beaker. At the same time, record the reading on the joule meter. Before adding your data into the equation, you must convert the mass of the water from grams into kilograms and work out the difference between your final temperature and starting temperature. The change in thermal energy is simply the reading you have obtained from your joule meter. In the second part of this experiment, we will be investigating how the temperature of ice changes as it melts. To carry out this experiment, you will need the following: a boiling tube, beaker, tripod, gauze, Bunsen burner, stop clock, hot water, and crushed ice. To start this experiment, add some crushed ice into a boiling tube and using a thermometer, record the temperature of the ice. Now place the beaker carefully on top of the tripod and gauze and light the Bunsen burner, making sure you have it on a safety flame. Carefully pour some hot water into the beaker. Place the Bunsen burner under the beaker and warm using a moderate flame. During this time, you will need to record the temperature of the ice every minute until all the ice has melted, and then for a further 3 minutes after the ice has melted. Make a note of the time at which the ice starts to melt and when it appears to be completely melted. You now need to draw a line graph using the data you have collected. Using your physics knowledge, you should now be able to explain the shape of the graph using your understanding of what happens to the arrangement of particles when changing from a solid to a liquid.